In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a unique and customized voice using the voice design tool. This process is not only fascinating, but also highly practical, especially if you want to develop a voice that perfectly fits your project or creative idea. Let's dive into how you can achieve this with ease and precision. First, we begin by navigating to the voice design tool. To do this, head over to the Voices tab. Here you'll see a variety of options, but your focus should be on selecting Add a New Voice. Once you've done that, choose the voice design option from the list presented. This will open up a world of possibilities, allowing you to tailor a voice design to your specific requirements. Next, it's time to create a prompt. This is where your creativity truly comes into play. In the prompt box, you're going to describe the voice you want in detail. Think about the characteristics that matter most to you, such as age, gender, accent, tone, and emotion. For instance, are you looking for a youthful and energetic voice, a mature and authoritative one, or perhaps something playful with a touch of humor? Defining these elements in the prompt will guide the tool in generating voices that match your vision. Now that you have your prompt ready, you can move on to previewing what your custom voice might sound like. In the text box provided, type or paste a sentence of your choice. This text will help you hear a sample of how the voice sounds when spoken. This step is crucial as it acts as a sneak preview of your creation, allowing you to make adjustments to your prompt if necessary before finalizing the voice. With your text for preview set up, proceed to the exciting part, generating the voice. You simply click on Generate Voice, and the tool will provide you with 3 distinct options. Each one is a different variation based on the detailed characteristics you inputted in the prompt. Take the time to listen to each of these options carefully. This variety gives you the flexibility to choose the voice that resonates most with what you had in mind. Once you've settled on the voice you like best, it's time to select and save it. You can choose your preferred voice and give it a memorable name and a brief description that reflects its unique qualities. This helps in organizing your library, making it easier to identify your custom voices in future projects. Finally, save it to your library, ensuring your customized voice is ready for whenever you need it. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated through the voice design tool and created a voice that is truly yours. Whether you're working on a new video project, a podcast, or any other creative endeavor, this custom voice can add a distinctive touch to your work. Thanks for following along, and happy voice designing.